Did you know that clogged filters could be silently draining up to 30% more fuel every time you drive? That's like throwing away money every time you hit the gas pedal. And most drivers don't even realize it's happening. In today's video, we're breaking down the 4 essential filters that keep your engine breathing easy and your fuel bill low. You'll learn exactly what each filter does, how a dirty one can sabotage your fuel efficiency, and the simple steps to clean or replace them for instant savings. Stick around until the end, because the last filter isn't just commonly ignored. It's the one that could save you the most every time you fill up. Let's dive in. Filter 5, Engine Air Filter. The engine air filter is like your car's personal respiratory system, tucked inside a plastic housing near the intake manifold. Its job is to make sure only clean, dust-free air enters the engine during combustion. Every time your car runs, this filter stands guard, blocking dirt, sand, bugs, and debris from getting sucked into the engine. When it's clean, your car breathes effortlessly, burns fuel efficiently, and performs exactly the way it was designed to. But when this filter starts to clog, it's like trying to run a marathon while breathing through a dirty mask. Your engine strains for air, the fuel mix gets thrown off balance, and combustion becomes weak and wasteful. That leads to sluggish acceleration, rough idle, black exhaust smoke, and worst of all, a serious spike in fuel consumption. A filthy air filter alone can cut your gas mileage by up to 10 to 15%. Here's how to clean or replace it. Open the air filter housing, usually held in place by clips or screws. Remove the filter. If it's just dusty and reusable, tap it gently and vacuum out the debris. For deeper cleaning, use compressed air to blow from the clean side to the dirty side, never the reverse. If it's disposable or too clogged, replace it with a new one that fits your car model. Reinstall and close the housing securely. Cleaning takes just a few minutes and often costs nothing. For best results, replace the engine air filter every 12,000 to 15,000 miles, or sooner if you frequently drive in dusty areas. A small investment that pays off in smoother performance and noticeable fuel savings. Now, let's move on to the filter that keeps your cabin air just as clean as your fuel system. Filter 4, Cabin Air Filter. The cabin air filter is the quiet hero of your car's interior, working behind the scenes to make sure the air inside your vehicle is clean and breathable. Hidden behind the glove box or deep in the dashboard, this compact filter traps pollen, dust, soot, mold spores, and even small debris before they make their way through your vents and into your lungs. When the filter is clean, the air stays fresh, the vents blow strong, and your HVAC system runs smoothly with minimal effort. But once the cabin filter clogs, things start to break down fast. You may notice the AC isn't blowing as hard as it used to. The air might feel stale, windows fog up more often, and strange odors begin creeping into the cabin. That's because your HVAC is now fighting against a wall of debris. And when it strains harder, it uses more power. More power means more fuel burned just to maintain basic airflow. A dirty cabin filter doesn't just make your drive uncomfortable, it makes it more expensive. Here's how to clean or replace it. Open the glove box and access the filter compartment. Remove the old filter. If it's lightly dusty, tap it gently and vacuum the surface. If it's clogged, moldy, or has a foul smell, replace it. Insert the clean or new filter with the airflow arrows facing the right direction. Close the compartment. Cabin air filter replacements are cheap, usually under $20, and take just 5 minutes. To keep your interior fresh and your AC running efficiently, replace it every 15,000 to 30,000 miles, or sooner if you drive in dusty or urban environments. Now, let's move on to the filter that protects your fuel system and keeps your engine running clean under pressure. If you're still watching, It means you care about keeping your car running clean and efficient. Hit that like button and subscribe if you want more simple tips that keep your car performing at its best. Your engine will thank you, and so will your wallet. Filter 3. Fuel filter. The fuel filter is your engine's frontline defense against dirty or contaminated gasoline. Usually located along the fuel line or inside the fuel tank, this small but critical filter stops rust, dirt, and debris from entering the fuel injectors and combustion chamber. When it's clean, fuel flows freely, your engine runs smoothly, and combustion stays sharp and powerful. It's one of the few parts in your car that directly protects both engine health and fuel efficiency at the same time. But when the fuel filter starts to clog, it's like trying to drink a milkshake through a blocked straw. Your engine can't get the fuel it needs, especially under acceleration or heavy load. That leads to sputtering, hard starts, weak throttle response, and eventually, full-blown stalling. Even worse, a starved fuel system forces your engine to work harder, burning more fuel just to keep running. A clogged fuel filter can quietly wreck your MPG, and if ignored long enough, it can even kill your fuel pump, a far more expensive repair. Here's how to replace it. Locate the fuel filter, usually under the car, along the frame rail, or near the fuel tank. Relieve fuel system pressure by disconnecting the fuel pump fuse and running the engine until it dies. Disconnect the fuel lines from the filter using the proper tool or release clips. Remove the old filter and install the new one with the correct flow direction. Reconnect fuel lines, replace the fuse, and start the engine to check for leaks. Fuel filters are often overlooked, but replacing one every 20,000 to 30,000 miles can prevent costly damage and restore lost performance, saving you money at the pump and the mechanic. Now, let's move on to the filter that protects your engine's oil flow and can silently cripple fuel efficiency and engine health if ignored. Filter 2. Oil filter. The oil filter is the unsung bodyguard of your engine's lifeblood, motor oil. Every time your car starts, tiny metal shavings, carbon deposits, and sludge begin circulating inside the engine. The oil filter's job is to trap these harmful contaminants before they can scratch internal components or clog vital oil passages. It sits near the engine block, filtering oil as it circulates, ensuring smooth lubrication, cooling, and protection of internal parts. When the oil filter is clean, your engine runs quietly, efficiently, and lasts longer. But when the oil filter clogs, or worse, is never replaced, dirty oil starts flowing through the system, turning protective lubrication into an abrasive sludge. You'll notice reduced performance, louder engine noise, and increased fuel consumption. Worst case, you could face engine overheating, premature wear, or even total engine failure. A neglected oil filter might seem small, but it's one of the most expensive mistakes you could ever make under the hood. Here's how to replace it. Warm up the engine slightly to thin the oil. Lift the car safely and place an oil pan beneath the drain plug. Drain the old oil completely. Locate the oil filter and use an oil filter wrench to remove it. Lightly coat the new filter's rubber gasket with fresh oil. Screw on the new filter by hand. Snug, but not over-tightened. Reinstall the drain plug, add the recommended oil, and check for leaks. You should replace both the oil and oil filter every 5,000 to 7,500 miles, or sooner if you drive under harsh conditions or use cheaper oil. It's a small investment that prevents major engine damage and keeps your car running with peak efficiency. Filter 1, PCV filter. The PCV, positive crankcase ventilation, valve and its filter are the hidden heroes keeping your engine's internal pressure in balance. Mounted on or near the valve cover, the PCV system works by routing excess gases from the crankcase back into the intake manifold, where they can be burned, instead of polluting the air or clogging your engine with sludge. When this system is clean and working properly, you get smoother idling, cleaner emissions, and better overall fuel efficiency. But when the PCV valve or its filter becomes clogged, those gases have nowhere to escape. Pressure builds up inside the engine. A stuck PCV valve can lead to oil contamination, carbon buildup, and a sudden spike in fuel consumption as the air-fuel ratio becomes unbalanced. That tiny valve you never see can end up costing you more than just wasted fuel. It can put your entire engine at risk. Here's how to clean or replace it. Locate the PCV valve, usually on the valve cover with a hose attached. Remove the valve by gently twisting and pulling. If it rattles freely when shaken, it's still functional. If not, clean it with solvent or carb cleaner. For non-serviceable PCV filters, replace the entire unit. Reinstall the cleaned or new valve and ensure the hose is securely connected. For best results, inspect or replace the PCV valve every 20,000 to 50,000 miles, depending on your vehicle and driving conditions. It's a quick fix that can restore lost power, reduce oil leaks, and help your engine burn fuel more efficiently. And with that, you now know the 5 most overlooked filters that can silently drain your fuel economy and damage your engine. Keep them clean, replace them on schedule, and your car will reward you with better performance, less fuel consumption, and fewer trips to the mechanic. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more DIY car tips, and drop a comment below to let us know which filter you'll be tackling first. And don't stop here. Make sure to check out our next video, Top 5 Sensors You Can Clean to Boost Your MPG. It's packed with more easy fixes that can save you money every time you hit the road.